Well, hello everybody. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I used colored pencils and odorless mineral spirits to color these peach images. To start with, I've stamped my image with palette ink burnt umber color on good quality cardstock. I have a selection of Prisma color pencils, some color blending tools, and odorless mineral spirits, in which I've transferred into a smaller container so I could use it easily. I'm going to start coloring the image with some of the lightest colors, and then using these color blending tools, I will shade and blend the colors. I'm starting with this color, it's called Sand, and I'm just going to color in some of the areas. In some areas, I'm going very heavy, others light. I'm going to take my blending tool, dip a little bit of OMS, and you might want to keep a little paper towel around, and then just carefully blend the color in. And I'll go back over and get a little darker. And this is a small image, so you want to be careful you stay within the lines. Next, I'm going to use a peach color and apply a little more. And I'll just keep going back and forth, adding color until I like what I see, and blending it a little bit. Then I'm going to take a richer red color and you want to be a little you don't need to use nearly as much as this red color because it'll blend quite nicely. And in some of these images, as you can see here, I'm blotting it because a peach has more of a mottled look to it. And add a little bit more red back here. And as you can see, I'm just adding color on color. And here I'm going to take an even darker red and just put a little bit on. That just gives it a little bit more shading. And you can go back and forth with this until you get the color you want. I'm now going to go over the entire image with a brighter yellow. And I'm doing this because it tends to bring out the colors more. It actually gives a more gold appearance. And once that's done, I'll go back over here with the peach sometimes, or with the red. It's really up to you on to how you want your colors to look. Some people want a more reddish, peaches that are more red, some like them more yellow. And again, I'm just tapping in with this coloring tool. And that's pretty much done for the peach, the fruit part. Then I'm going to take 2 shades of green for the leaves. I'm going to apply the lighter. And again, use my coloring tool. And then with the darker one, only apply a little bit. And there you have it. Now that came together very quickly, as you can see, and my finished card, let me bring this out a little bit, looks like this. Now I worked with this small image and it worked up pretty fast, but I also did a card with the larger image, and the same principles applied. I add the light color first and then slowly blended in the darker colors with the odorless mineral spirits and the blending tool. So I hope you like what you've seen here. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll tune in again soon.